Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and I'm Viplav and today we will talk about creating a framework in 5 minutes based on Cypress. So yeah, you can create a framework in 5 minutes and I will show you live how. Just few prompts and you are ready with the framework. So with this, let's get started. So currently you are seeing the framework which I have already created and how with this prompt like create a complete Cypress automation framework and provide it in the zip file and you have to just give it few detail like hey it has to be Node.js Cypress project, use Cypress 13, use GitHub action for CI pipeline. So according to your project need you can customize, but this is the prompt how you have to give. And for the demo purpose I'm using SauceDemo website, and for API we will be using this URL. And yes, this is purely for those people who is already aware of how to use Cypress at least basic level, and those who are aware of Cypress itself, a little knowledge who have. So this for them. If you are not aware of that, maybe you should brush up those skills and then you should watch this video. But still, it is helpful for those who have not much knowledge. Also, they can try it and they can create and they can makes their hand dirty. So with that, let's do it. Quick start. So I'm just copying this. Control C, and then you open GPT, and it's up to you whatever you wanna use. Maybe you can use Claude, you can use Gemini. For time being, for this purpose, I will use GPT just for this demo. Okay, now it's analyzing, and let's wait how much time it's gonna take to create an end-to-end framework, and it should give us a zip file, and then that zip file we can download, and then we can extract it and open it in VS Code and do npm install. It will install all the file from dependency, and then you can simply run npx cypress open command and it will run. So that's it. That is what you have to do. And let's see how much time GPT will take. So okay, it has started, and if you see, it has already created the framework as per our prompt. It has given in v13 plus setup POM model it is following. It has UI test, API test, environment variable, a report. For that, it is using Mochawesome. It is using GitHub Action CI pipeline, so that as soon as I push the code, it will also run in cloud, and it will also give you a README file. And so let's download it, and then you will have the folder like this. And when you will open it, you will have this folder structure. So to save the time, I have already have all this information ready with me, and you will have your folder structure like this. You will have this api.cy.js file to perform the API testing. So in Cypress, you might be aware, like if it is a test name, we keep it under describe. When it is a step, we use it. And then when you want to request any API call, you use cy.request. Similarly, when you are having a UI test, for test name, you will use describe. Then it is a test step. Visit is like in we have driver.get URL in Selenium, like that we have. So enter username, enter password. So you are using taking it from login page.js. So by default, see Cypress has cy.get method, and you are using .type to type the username. So locator and all it has taken because GPT is already aware that hey, the locator for source demo already it is hash password and has username. So it was already aware, hence it has used it from there. And there are few support related file it has created. Right now there is nothing. And once you run the framework, it will create a report folder to have all the reports, the all the final results you will have that will be in JSON format, and then in the form of .html you can view the report. So without wasting your time, just let's write npx cypress open here. I've already done the installation. You simply need to write npm install, and whatever is available under package.log.json, it will install all those required library. See, now after running this npx cypress open command, this Cypress UI is open. So this is how it looks like. You can click E2E testing. Now you can, for this demo sake, I'm using Electron. Now spec here means test. So maybe let's try click here and it will start running your API test. So this is how Cypress work. Yeah, for Selenium, it is different process. And even Playwright has quite similar process. So maybe next time when I will create a video on Playwright, I will show you how to do that and see our test case is passed. Second thing is UI.cy. So let's run the UI test. See, it is opening sourcedemo.com. It should log in now. Yes, it is doing. See, now after login, you got the product screen. So okay, this execution is also done. So with this, we are done running both, and you can also see the report, and the report will somewhat look like this. So this is using Mochawesome, and you see here you have POM login test, API test, and it is showing you all the details of the report also. And I have already pushed this code to GitHub, and then I would like to show you how it looks like. So let me show that to you. Yeah. If you see now, after pushing the code, since it I have told explicitly to use cy.yml and have all this required YML thing. Like if I push, it should run the CI pipeline and I should run it in Ubuntu latest and then run this few commands. So when you will go to actions, go to adding workflow dispatcher, go to the run, you will see it is passed, and finally the run is complete. And here also you can see the same logs, and you can see how many test case passed, how many failed, like that. And then it will create a report. You see, two found, it ran, successful, again py pass, see two test case pass. So this was this much simple. I have already created a video on Selenium Python, so you can see that it might be coming on the top, that link, so you can also have a look to that. So yeah, with this I just wanted to let you know how good progress we have made. This might have take maybe 3-4 hours to us before this chat gpt thing, but now it's cakewalk. Just in 5 minutes we are able to do that. So with this, yeah, I would like to stop my video here. Thanks for watching this video, and I wish you will like it, subscribe my channel. That's all. Thank you. Bye.